Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this are actually super fast to solve if you know the steps. Let's find that relative minimum together right now. Watch this. First, we need to find the constant k. Since there is an inflection point at -1, the second derivative must be 0 there. Differentiate twice and solve for k quickly. Now that we have k, we can find the first derivative of our function. Set that derivative equal to 0 to locate all the critical points where a minimum might occur. Finally, use the second derivative test or sign chart. The relative minimum occurs exactly at 1.296. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option D.